Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. In today's video, I'll be talking about the magnetic iPad car mount from Kuxiu. Let's take a look and I will show you how it works. So here we have it. I have mounted it to the vent mount and I'll just kind of show you how it works here. With one hand, I can remove it. You see it has the pins. You tighten it down. It has a ball attachment. It's mounted there. And around back, we do have a cable that's running down, being plugged into the center console here, and runs up. And so when I place my iPad on there, the pins make a connection, and you'll see that right there, you can see it's charging. I could have YouTube, maybe some social media going on, or, maybe I'm just watching YouTube. Things like if you want to have your maps open, so I'll go down here. Maybe I want to have my maps open and I don't want you to see where I live, so let's get away from that and let's, browsing around in maps, trying to find, different places. Or maybe you want to watch some of your favorite YouTube while you're out in the car. Mine does have cellular. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, but I do have cellular model here. So, maybe you're just browsing through YouTube and watching some of your favorite content creators. And, I won't have audio playing, but let's say I want to be watching some of my favorite content here. And I got it loaded up. And you're watching YouTube from the passenger seat, or you have an older car that doesn't have CarPlay, like I said, so you could have maps open, different things like that. And it's just really handy to be able to have this quickly throw that up there, remove it with one hand. I can put it back in my normal case here and be on my way. It easily attaches to the vent, and I will show you how it can also attach in the back seat, and we'll get into that in just a minute. So here we are in the back seat. This simply slides in. There's some kind of spring mechanism there that allows you to put it in place. You can also move it in and out. There's the ball mount for it, and we will take and see, there's the mount. It goes on there. I'll get it mounted up and then we'll take a look at it here. Again, got it mounted up, cable going into the center console there. And I got my iPad, it's got the pins on the back. Just pop it up there with one hand. You see, charge it up, unlock it. And as you'll see, I got a preview app open, but we're not going to take a look at that. We are going to, again, like I said, you can be, maybe you want to be doing some messages or browsing on Twitter or whatever you want to be doing. I am running iPad OS 26, so it's a little bit different there. But I could have Twitter open, maybe YouTube, be doing whatever in the back here. I could have YouTube open. Maybe I want my son to be watching a YouTube video and I'm browsing on social media. We'll launch the YouTube app there. And, I could switch those around. So if he's riding next to me, he could be watching something on YouTube, something educational or funny, and I could be browsing social media. I do have an anti-reflective screen protector on there. This just kind of shows you a little bit about how this particular car mount works. Simply, when I'm done, lock it. It's pretty strong, so you can move it at different angles, you'll see there. So I can, angle it more towards him or more towards me, have it more off to the side, one way or the other, or, pushed up against the seat or more far out, but remove with one hand, easy to do. Throw it back in my case and be on my way. A bit of a side note here, that's that spring mechanism I was showing you that makes it easy to take in and out of the car. So I was able to easily bring this inside, not leave it in the back of the car. You don't necessarily want people to know that you're toting around an iPad all the time. easy to take in and out, or if you have multiple vehicles, easy to transport between the two. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. It doesn't cost you anything. For more educational, technologically related content like this, please give it a big thumbs up on your way out. Peace, love. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.